Hello friends, today we'll study about preparation of alcohols. In the last class we studied about preparation of alcohols from alkenes. Now we'll study from carbonyl compounds. How do we prepare alcohols from carbonyl compound? So what are carbonyl compounds? The compounds containing C double bond O group. So examples are carboxylic acids, esters, aldehyde and ketones. So we will see how we prepare alcohols from them. So first we'll take aldehyde and ketones. So aldehyde and ketones are converted to alcohol or reduced to alcohol by catalytic hydrogenation. So what is catalytic hydrogenation? We can see here. Here this is aldehyde, this is RCO double bond O, this is carbonyl group and H. So this group C double bond O H is aldehyde group and this is R, this is alkyl group. When we add hydrogen H2 in the presence of catalysts like palladium, platinum or nickel, then we get alcohol. So what is happening here? The hydrogen is adding here to the oxygen atom and here to the carbon atom. So you are getting RCH2OH and this is a primary alcohol group because the alpha carbon to which the hydroxy group, the functional group is attached, this carbon is attached to only one alkyl group. So it is a primary alcohol. Now if you take the ketone, so what will happen? Here it will be R group, here it will be R group, RC double bond O R. So this is a ketone and you are doing the catalytic hydrogenation only. So here we will get this alcohol. So this is a secondary alcohol because here the carbon atom is attached to two alkyl groups. So it is a secondary alcohol. So this is the difference when we add hydrogen and catalyst in the aldehyde and ketone, and this is known as catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation. Okay. Next is when we add sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride. Sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride. So when we add these reagents to the aldehyde or ketone, then also we can get the alcohol. Okay, and same happens that primary alcohol is produced in the case of aldehydes and secondary alcohols are produced in the case of ketone. Now we'll study the preparation of alcohols by carboxylic acid and ester. Now we'll see how we produce alcohol from carboxylic acid. So this is the carboxylic acid here. This is R, C double bond O and OH. So RCOH, this is carboxylic acid. We are adding lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of water and then alcohol is produced. Here also primary alcohol is produced because the carbon atom is attached to one alkyl group. So this is the reduction of carboxylic acid. Now because lithium aluminum hydride is very expensive reagent, so it is not used for this purpose. So we can do one more thing to get alcohol from acid, that we can add another alcohol which has this alkyl group R-OH in the presence of acid and we get ester from it. So this is the first step, and then we add hydrogen in the presence of catalyst. This is called catalytic hydrogenation and we can get then the primary alcohol. Plus this is also alcohol but this alcohol is produced from this acid. The R group here same. So this is how we can produce the alcohol from acid as well as from ester. So esters can be reduced by catalytic hydrogenation, as we studied in case of aldehyde and ketones. So let us take an example. This was about the concept. Now let us take the example. For example, you are taking butanol, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHOH. So if you do catalytic hydrogenation, which means that you are adding hydrogen and any one catalyst, palladium, platinum or nickel. So sorry, this is double bond O. So this is the butanol, okay, aldehyde. So you are doing catalytic hydrogenation. What will you get? This hydrogen will add here, one hydrogen atom and one hydrogen atom will add here. So you will get CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and OH, right? And this is primary alcohol because this carbon atom is attached to one alkyl group. So this is what you will get. And instead of here, if it was a ketone, then what will you get? Then one hydrogen atom will be here. So this is a secondary alcohol because this carbon atom is attached to two alkyl groups. So this is how we prepare alcohols from aldehyde and ketones and carboxylic acid and ester. So I hope you got this topic. Thank you.